You mentioned about the power, the grid. Is that going to be one of the determinants of the accessibility? If you do not have cheap power, the demand is costly.
100%. So if you sort of look at the tokens per dollar per watt,
right,
which I think in some sense I would claim that GDP growth in any place will be directly correlated. Like if you sort of buy my entire argument that, look, we've got a new commodity, it's tokens.
Right.
And the job of every economy and every firm in the economy is to translate these tokens into economic growth. Then if you have a cheaper commodity, it's better. And so that's sort of why this tokens per dollar per watt. And by the way, there are many, many elements to this, right? Which is, it's not just the production side. That's why I think even having the grid is important. Construction costs, right? So if you think about the total TCO, everything, it's like, are you a cheap producer of energy? Can you build the data centers? Then what's the cost curve of the silicon and the systems?
Right.
And by the way, look at the token pricing, right? Token pricing basically drops by, a half every 3 months. That's why I think you can sort of really plot how you use the tokens to create surplus, knowing that you have a commodity whose prices are just going to monotonically come down in a pretty fast curve.